Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare these delicious coconut rock buns. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have some all-purpose flour, some freshly grated coconut. I'll be using coconut milk, some sugar, eggs, cinnamon, nutmeg, baking powder, salt, some vanilla, melted butter, and some raisins. So first things first, you want to combine your dry ingredients. We'll add the flour, the spices, baking powder, salt, and the coconut. Mix everything well and set aside. Now we will combine all of our wet ingredients except the coconut milk. You want to make sure you add that in a little at a time when you're forming the dough, just to make sure that the dough is the right texture. So now let's put everything together. We'll add our raisins there, and then we'll go in with that wet mixture that we made. We'll also add a little bit of our coconut milk, and if we need more, we will add it gradually. You don't want to add too much at once because you want to make sure that you have a nice, firm, sticky dough. You don't want it too soft or you don't want it too hard. So you just want the right texture. Around about, let's say, 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of coconut milk should be just perfect for this, but flour absorbs differently, so make sure you have about a 1/2 cup on hand. Once the dough is formed, we'll go ahead and start assembling it into our baking pan. So here I'll be using an ice cream scoop, and I'll use about 1.5 of these to make one bun, and I'll carry on with this process until all the dough is gone. So here I have 8 buns, and I will now place this in a 355-degree oven for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once that is in the oven, we'll create a sugar glaze for the top of the bun using 1 part water, 2 parts sugar. Once the buns are done, this is how they are looking. We will go in right away with that sugar glaze and just glaze over the top. And that's it, guys. That's how simple it is to make these coconut rock buns. They are so delicious. You guys will not regret trying the recipe. And here you see me just assembling these onto my wire rack, just so they can cool down completely before I show you guys what they look like on the inside. And here you have it, my version of coconut rock buns. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's perfect for the kids. They're out of school. They will definitely enjoy this one. It was not too hard or not too soft. It was right in the middle. That's how I like my buns. And it was so flavorful and delicious. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.